Hi, a warm welcome to IWC community. Hope you're doing great and you are trying to learn on a path where you want to achieve senior corrosion technology certification in one attempt. So that's the reason you have enrolled into this package and you have a hope that I can able to help you by step guidance and with a small and little also steps will take you to a great success. So let's begin with the exact roadmap how you should start your learning, how you should start your preparation for this package because many of the members have communicated, many of members have emailed me that we are not going to understand from where to start and what to start. I have already given a long, very clear idea in the one-to-one consultation, but for many reasons, maybe you have not started at the same time when you enroll into the course, or maybe you forgot it, or maybe you have taken this one-to-one call and later you have enrolled. So there are many reasons. That's the point. Maybe you have forgotten. And no matter, I'm still with you here. So almost every day I am getting this email. So I thought I should prepare a one video that will help you to start your study in a strategic way so that you should not simply waste your time in simply reading the books. So let's start and I will show you how you have to start, from where to start, when what exactly you should go into the package. Just understand it well, and whenever you feel difficult, again you can see this video back so you can able to understand step by step correct way if you are going to practice the question bank, the study material. If you are reading, you are taking the mock test practice, and slowly 100% my videos also will help you to clear your concept in some of the portions till now wherever I have reached. So let's start and I will show you the important things where way you have to start the study. So if you will go here in our package, you will find that study material, thesis, question bank, solved question papers, mock test, AMPP orientation session, and training session. So when you will go into the study material, you can able to understand these are the all just books. These books will help you only when you need some reference, you want to understand any topic, when you want to go in the deep level, then only these books will help you. If along with that, if you have more time, then you can go for the reference. This book is not actually for the practice. So make sure these are the corrosion under, you will find 17 to 18 books. Under cathodic protection, you will find 2 to 3 books. Material selection 7 to 8 books, chemical treatment 2 to 3 books, protective coating 3 to 4 books, and the other standard methods which is I have already provided in the package. Now, these are the only material that you should not follow right now. Once you are done with a lot of good question bank, then you should go for that. In the question bank, I'm giving you the same books from where I have prepared the question bank. In the thesis chapter, of course, you can go for the first chapter because this is all about very good information about corrosion from the basic and till all the important techniques, methods, everything. So please read when you have a free time if you want to know more about the corrosion. But you can just go through this. Is just 81 pages. It will not take much time. Maybe if you are taking 5 to 6 pages per day also, easily you can finish within 1 or 2 weeks. Next part will come into the question bank. Whenever you are going to enroll into the package, you have to first check out what are the important things that in the question bank, because when suppose if you will see here, we have taken the selected book, and from that selected book we have prepared a question bank, and from that question bank we have prepared a mock test, and from that question bank PDF we have prepared a videos. So that this is only the main important part for the practice. So do not skip this part. Always start with the question bank. Now you will say which one I should start. Whenever you are going to start your study, if you are very good in corrosion, you don't have any requirement for corrosion, then you should go for any metallurgy, CP, chemical treatment, or coating. But if you are not good in corrosion, then straightforward you have to take all the steps in the corrosion first. For example, here I can show you. This is the corrosion in petrochemical industry, Linda Gregory. You should go it little bit after 3 to 4 books. When you completed the question bank, then you go. This is all about the petrochemical industry. It is all about the downstream area. Now, corrosion prevention and control, corrosion prevention, corrosion engineering handbook, corrosion engineering principle and practice, NACE internal corrosion for pipelines advanced. These are the important books. Then Peabody's control of pipeline corrosion. These are the main corrosion area where you have to first start with the NACE internal corrosion for pipeline advanced. Why you have to start? I will show you. Here, if you will come, you can able to understand this is the first PDF. This is the second PDF. This is the third PDF and this is the book. So you need not to go into the study material and simply trying to confuse yourself and wasting your time. So first, when you're going to start your corrosion part, so come here, open this book and you will check out all the details. You will find there is a highlighted part. These are the highlighted part. This is starting from the very basic, all about the corrosion, then types of corrosion, factors influencing corrosion, mechanism of corrosion. All these things you will get into 1 to 25 pages. Then you will go to this part. Second part is the NDT methods and inspection methods. So like if I will increase a little bit zoom to make you understand, like direct intrusive techniques, direct non-intrusive techniques, indirect methods. Then you can come here, these inspection methods here. In the inspection methods also, you will get all about the different visual inspection, magnetic flux. These are all I have covered already in the videos. If you find it difficult, go through the videos, my all videos. You will give first 2 to 3 videos. You can able to understand what are the importance of the corrosion, types of corrosion, all the different techniques and inspection methods. Once you are done with that, suppose if you have taken the first topic from 1 to 12 page or 1 to 25 pages, then go to this. Here you will find the corrosion question bank. Here you will get. So step by step, one PDF you complete, then second PDF you complete, then you can come to the third PDF. This is all about the, here you will get the last part of the corrosion part, that is all about the inspection part. So in this way, you will able to understand step by step topics, everything you will get into this. Now, once you are done with this book, you are totally clear from the basic all about the corrosion. Next part you can select like example. I'll show you maybe corrosion prevention and control. In the corrosion prevention and control, here you can take, this is the name of the book, corrosion prevention and control. This is the corrosion prevention and control. In this, if we will go here, you will get some little more about detail all about the different types of inspection methods, corrosion monitoring and corrosion inspection. So step by step you have to go. Like first basic corrosion, then mechanism, then types of corrosion, then what are the environmental factors that affecting the corrosion, then different NDT methods, inspection methods, how to do corrosion monitoring. All these one by step, if you will go, you will be perfect in that and you will get not only the topic to learn or read, but you will get the question bank of each part. So in this LMS system, now after finish that corrosion part, if you want to move for cathodic protection, so you will find here there are 2 books for CP. This is cathodic protection tester manual, as well as this is another book for CP is the M.E. Parker. So there are 2 books we have taken from cathodic protection, 2 books we have taken for coating. Like but if you will go here, coating inspector program manual level 1. Another one I'll show you. This one is the corrosion prevention by protective coating. So here you can able to understand these topics from these 2 books. Most of the 2 books we have taken whole as a question bank, but in chunks of material. It's slowly stop, little only, not so much. Like some maybe 10-15 pages we have taken and we have prepared the question bank. So in this way, you can able to understand whichever you want to go, because first is the corrosion. Then you can take any topic either from metallurgy, from chemical treatment, from coating, or from CP, anything. Here, if you will go here for corrosion inhibitor, if you want to take any chemical treatment topic, you can go Nathan, NACE corrosion inhibitor. This only one book we have taken from this domain. And for the material selection, we have taken only the material selection book. Here also we have taken one. So in future, we will add some more topics in advance. Then we will add some more books about material selection and the chemical treatment. But if you find any difficulty during this topic, you feel like I need some more explanation or some other topics which is important based on that exam. So what you can do, you can just first try to complete everything from the question bank. Then you feel difficult or you feel like to go for more part, then you can email me, okay, such and such topics from these books we want to cover, so that we will cover in the later stages. Because whatever the question banks I have prepared till now, I am taking videos based on that, so it will help you to understand, sometime not from the material, but you can able to understand more from the videos. Then you can go to the question bank for the practice. Once you do the practice in the question bank, then you can move on to the mock test practice. Because once you have done little part, at least 20 to 30 part percentage of the question bank topics if you are taking, then it is easy for you to handle the mock test. Because otherwise mock test is not used, because mock test is something like where we have taken 5 to 6 whole part of the material in the form of a, that is a merge. We have merged all these topics and we have prepared a mock test sets. That's the reason it is important. Now if you'll move on here, these are the standard methods. Each standard methods, if you will see, we have taken one PDF for the question bank, and the manual also you will get here. This is the PDF and this is the manual. So you have to, before going to practice for the question bank, you have to go first in the manual. You have to understand some point. This is not very big. This is very small, important points you can go. No need for go 60 pages. Important points you can go. Then you can go for the practice question bank. And based on that question bank, you can able to understand which part or which area of the material you have to cover. This is how you have to move on step by step. And next you can go, suppose if you find difficult, and you can go for training sessions. Whatever the topics till now we have covered, you can see it's all about the corrosion mechanism, types of corrosion, types of monitoring techniques, and QB explanation. Then we have covered paint and protective. So paint part, if you want to take the initial part, all these mostly we have taken from this book. I'll show you here this one, corrosion prevention by protective coating. In the first initial part, you can see all about the topics. So this is all about our this thing. Now corrosion thermodynamics I have already added into the system. This is a part 1, and later on I will add some part 2, part 3 like that. So it will help. It's a very important topic. It will help you in the exam how to tackle the numericals, how to solve the numericals. A lot of questions will be adding in the question bank explanation after these videos. So till then, if whatever I have understood that what is required from my part, I have explained here. And if you find any difficulty, you can just email me, connect@fatimasefi.com. But please, if there is a very small questions, please don't try to understand by yourself. And I know that there is a problems in the answers also. There are some I have to rectify some parts of the question bank which you find some difficult. Then please refer to the study material. If you find there is a question bank problem, try to understand well and check out if even if it is the wrong answer, please understand well and go with your own understanding. Do not totally 100% depends on me that this is a correct, this is a wrong, I need explanation, I need that explanation. A lot of community members are there. I cannot explain each and every question to you because it is not a one-to-one coaching system. It is just an understanding. Whole question bank set is in front of you. if the study material is very organized, I know if you know that this is little part has taken from these many pages, easily you can able to understand what can be the right answer. But 100% this will give you a clear idea what type of questions can cover from different area of the topics, and this will help you to understand more well with the help of our videos, my videos. You can able to understand more easily. And in case if you still not able to understand, then you try to go and reach out some. There are a lot of internet videos are there, Google information is there. 100% you will get some verification part out of them. So hope you have understood all about. Thanks for watching this video. In case if you feel there is difficulty that is not able to solve even after watching this video, then you can reach me at connect@fatimasafi.com, and I will reply you within 2 to 3 days. So have great day, have a great evening, have a great good night wherever you are there, and whatever time you are watching. So please go with a dedication, with a determination, and use this the fullest amount of this package. 100% this will help you to crack this exam, because few people have already achieved this certification with the help of my package. I am not saying 100% my package will, but of course your experience will matter, your expertise will matter, how you are trying to understand well these topics, everything will matter. How many hours you are dedicating for this study, everything will matter. And at last you will get the result. But don't give up, don't keep it on a lagging part. Try to take proper hours per day or weekly hours, and dedicate yourself in a particular time period, so then you can able to get the certification in the one attempt. And even if you fail for any reason, do not give up. Please keep on trying. 100% I am sure that my package will help you. Along that, if there is some improvement we are doing on a daily, on a routine daily basis, that we want to update new ideas, whatever come up in our system based on the feedback, we are improving. And this is what you are getting updated part in the coming months. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.